guys, just in case you don't subscribe to my channel, please go ahead, click the thumbs up, click this video, like this video, share and subscribe. I don't know, you like travel, I'm a traveler. Just do this, let's do this. Support your boy. Yo, just click subscribe button and then let's do this shit together. Excuse my French. So I saw this place, I saw this shot, I saw the video on Mr. Nguzi. I think it's on Instagram. Then he made a video, and you know Mr. Nguzi, when he does stuff, like always top notch. One of the best videographer in Uganda that I know. So when I saw this, the way he did that, I was just sold. And I said, I have to be here when I come to Uganda. I have to be here. And here I am, the first place he brought me.
Boy! Yo!
Actually I did, but it's been a while that I did this, and getting up that that ladder, I was a little bit hesitant. I don't think it's well secured. I mean, to my standard, I don't think it's well secured. But once I got up there, I was feeling it again, and I did my thing. I was going low, touching the water. My second time in Uganda, and I'm chilling with the big boys of Uganda.
Turn around.
Jana down. That is single. That part is okay. So what do you think of your second visit in Uganda?
I'm actually loving it right now. I came here straight and I'm hanging, like I said, I'm hanging with the big boys. And this is the first time I'm gonna try these fruits. We don't have this in Nigeria. It's called passion fruit. I'm trying to figure out what this tastes like in Nigerian fruits. All I can say is it tastes like carica papaya, pawpaw, and that is the best description I can give this. It's nice though. I like it.